Welcome to BIMS TV. I'm Robin Garcia, and this is BIMS Bites. And today I'll be biting into Eastern oyster ecology. The eastern oyster is an animal with two shells. It is found on the eastern coast of North and South America in salty water. Adult oysters release eggs and sperm into the water. The sperm and egg combine, growing into baby oysters with little hairs to help them travel in the water. They then grow a shell, a foot for moving on the hard bottom, and eye spots to help them find a good home. When the baby oysters find the perfect home, they attach to the hard bottom. Once this happens, they don't move away from that spot. Baby oysters often grow on adult oysters, building what we call oyster reefs. These oyster reefs provide good things for other animals and for people. Oyster reefs are homes for other animals, including birds, crabs, and fish. They clean the water when they eat small plants. Cleaner water is good for other animals and plants. Many people eat oysters and make money by removing oysters from the water to sell as food. Oyster reefs also slow down water and waves so that they can't reach buildings and homes near the water. Unfortunately, we are losing oysters because of illnesses, warmer oceans, and too many people removing them from the water for food. There are ways to save oysters. We can keep track of how many oysters we remove for food, and we can recycle oyster shells to make more homes for baby oysters. We can also make more homes for oysters from other things, like concrete, which we already use to make sidewalks. Finally, we can do our part to keep the oceans from getting too hot for oysters and other animals in the ocean. So, if you see an oyster reef or eat an oyster at a restaurant, take a moment to be happy for all that oysters provide and think about what you can do to protect them. Thank you so much for learning about oysters with me today. You can follow up with me online or on social media to learn more. Finally, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Black and Marine Science to continue learning with us through BIMS Bites.